the stage, I can see so clearly the world as it should be, not the world that I know. Our eyes meet and I see a reflection. We make a connection and I watch it grow. The curtain falls and I'm always the first one out. The roar of the crowd reduced to a distant shout. And I'm all alone on the streets of New York City. And that's when I see you. You are in the 5th row. When I'm up on the stage, you stand and you cheer me. You long to be near me. I shine like the sun. But here on the street, you clench and you worry. You clutch your purse and you hurry, ready to run. But your fears suddenly soften and retreat. And for the second time tonight, our eyes meet. And I realize here on the streets of New York City, I'm no longer in light, no longer revered. I'm a threat, I'm to be feared, I'm to be punished, a destiny fulfilled when I'm ultimately killed. I just left you in the play, you say. No day but today, you say. I don't think I'll ever be the same, you say. And I just simply smile and walk away. I wake up hungover, but I hadn't been drinking, just staring and thinking up for most of the night. I won't be defined by my anger and rage. I will get back on the stage. I will fight to be seen as a gift that not all of us will know. I can't give up hope, the winds of change will blow. And perhaps someday on the streets of New York City, I will feel blessed. I will breathe in the air, my body at rest, free of care, no longer living my future in my past. Then maybe you'll see me, truly see